Engineering at RMIT is a core academic activity within the university. Within engineering, we offer programs from the trade through to the PhD level, including bachelor's degrees, master's degrees and PhD degrees. We have students doing both educational programs as well as research studies. RMIT has a variety of facilities for use by our staff and students. That includes undergraduate teaching laboratories, research laboratories and centres where we can undertake work with industry. Examples of these include in microelectronic engineering, additive manufacturing, chemical engineering and a variety of other engineering fields. RMIT has a long and close association with Engineers Australia. All of our bachelor's programs in engineering are accredited by Engineers Australia under the Washington Accord. What this means is that our graduates can practice as engineers after graduation, not only within Australia, but throughout the world. At RMIT Engineering, we promote communication between our students in a number of ways, including digital technologies such as apps, email, and other forms of communication, as well as, and very importantly, we get our students to work together in teams, and that allows them to build their personal communication skills in a one-to-one or small group environment.
The Shear Centre is in the College of Science, Engineering and Health here at RMIT. The Shear Centre is a centre that focuses on research of learning and teaching. It brings together staff who have an interest in research, in teaching, and they share ideas, collaborate on grants, work together, and generally it lifts the quality of our research. I think the Shear Centre is unique in that it is the only centre I know of which focuses on education research in the disciplines of science, engineering and health. So this is a wonderful opportunity for our staff who are interested and love teaching, and to look at developing that into a research interest.
Mass and energy balance course is one of the core courses in chemical engineering. So in other classes, the lectures followed by tutorials. In this class, we use a flipped classroom approach where tutorials followed by lectures. This approach was used to encourage students to solve the problems and then identify the difficulties that they have in solving the problems and let the lecturers know about the difficulties. Then I provide my help in terms of videos, lecture notes and so on. So the classroom is used not for one-way delivery from lecturers to students. The classroom is used for solving problems, which is very active learning. So the students learn not only from the lecturers and tutors, they also learn from their peer group, their friends. They all have different levels of knowledge on that subject, so they learn from each other. So it's 2 hours is used for very active learning.
So this is a tutorial class for process principles. It's a second year chemical engineering class. So it's basically using an interteaching method. So as opposed to the traditional lectures where you have the students sitting watching the lecturer give their speech, in this class we interact with the students. We've got a ratio of roughly 1 to 25 tutor to students. So it's much more interactive approach. Personally, I find it great because I can interact with the students, I can help them more directly and ensure that they understand what they're doing.
So what happens, we come in, rather than having a lecture beforehand and a tutorial afterwards, it's all combined in one. So all the resources and the material, the information is provided to us online, and we come in and it's a cooperative sort of working environment. So we come in, work as a team, and work our way through all the problems, and we've got tutors and our teacher here to help us if we need any help.
Personally, I really like to work with other people. I feel like that helps me gain knowledge better than if I was working individually, because you can bounce off other people, bounce off ideas, and that way you're helping others, but also they can be helping you. So it's a two-way sort of movement.
Yeah, I really enjoy it because I'm able to go into the question fresh and just be able to work with my team and do it.
RMIT is a world leader and at the very forefront of modern engineering education, using a whole lot of different approaches to ensure that our students get contemporary, relevant and industry-ready education. In order to maintain our leading position, we will strive to continue to have greater engagement with industry to ensure that our students have the work-ready skills that they'll need for the future.